Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are out by the Morant Bay Urban Center and we are going to give you a tour of the most important store in this facility. This is the construction of the KFC. This is the first KFC location in St. Thomas. Now straight ahead, that is the main entrance to the facility. So as you enter this facility, the first store you're going to see is KFC. To the left, that road is the the Southern Coastal Highway. It's going to be renamed the Paul Bogle Highway. That's the main road that takes you from Kingston to Morant Bay. And the first store you will see from the highway is this store, KFC. There you can see the highway. That's the highway right there on the left, and that's the main entrance to the facility straight ahead. Now there are many other stores and business, commercial, retail entities in this facility. This facility is what you call a game changer. But this store is going to ensure that it does extremely well because KFC is the number one fast food chain in Jamaica, and this store is what you call an anchor store. It's going to bring in the traffic. There you can see the road directly on the left. I don't think it was a coincidence that they put this store right by the main entrance and by the highway. Guys, let us know what you think. Leave your comments in the section below. There you can see the highway. So as we said, this is the first KFC to be opened in the parish of St. Thomas, and Morant Bay is the capital of St. Thomas. Alright guys, we're just giving you a quick tour, though as you can see the construction is far advanced. The facility isn't open yet. This store is not open yet. I would say some between now and December it should open, and the entire facility it's not open as yet. The Morant Bay Urban Center, it's not open as yet. There you can see the road I was talking about, and there you can see the main entrance to the right. And the first store you're going to see when you either pass on the main road or enter the facility is KFC. And as we said, KFC is the number one fast food chain in Jamaica. They operate in every parish except Hanover. The two parishes that they never operated in was Hanover and St. Thomas, but they now have this store in St. Thomas. So Hanover is the only store left to get a KFC. And in parishes like St. Anne, they have 5, Kingston, Portmore, numerous. Alright guys, enjoy the tour. We'll keep you guys updated as to when this store opens and the entire facility. Alright guys, have a good day.